con bánh. Are you happy? Turn it up. Now, look, copy me. Open it. Yeah, it always smells so.
How are we gonna do it? Help me.
Yep. Look, this is how you do it, okay? Open it up. And you put it here. See? Not to touch. Not nice?
Yes.
Smell of ginger?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna put this one on top.
And
And you're gonna roll it. Look at me. I'll roll it gently.
why?
Then it's flat so you can cut. Okay?
I do it faster. I do it
I'm
without.
rolling it through.
Without.
This is for me.
This is for me.
Yeah, look. Look, Ryan, look. Roll it like this. Okay? Keep rolling it.
Faster?
Yeah.
But it's not heavy. Why?
Are you gonna do the gingerbread? Nah.
Ow, ow, ow.
Yeah, of course. Ryan. No? I'm gonna take it away to do that. Yes.
Close that. Why you want it to big wide?
Because look, when you flatten them, they will be bigger. Look, Ryan. Hey! Hey, Ryan, no. My one is done. Leave it alone, okay?
No.
We're gonna cut it later.
No. We're gonna eat it today. We're gonna eat it today.
We're gonna eat all of them. Oh, we're gonna put chocolate on them too.
We're gonna get it away. We're gonna eat it today, mommy. Hey, why? Why, mommy?
Because mommy make it for you for Christmas.
Okay. Fine. Fine. Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Okay, now we're gonna cut.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Where's my knife? Where's my
Tato
knife?
shape, you got the ginger and the Christmas tree shape.
Why?
And let me show you how to cut it, okay?
Yeah.
You put it in here. And then you push your hand all the way. Yep, yep, put it. Yep. Alright, next one. Okay, next one. Hey, here. Okay, you put your hand there. Okay, my turn. My turn to make. Yes. Mm.
Why we go too many?
Yeah, because I make too many for you. You can push. Put all the way, all the way. Did you put it all the way?
Yeah.
Show me. Show me like that. You have to put it all the way like this, okay?
I do mine one too.
All the way.
I already do it all the way.
Yeah.
Why I got too many ways?
Because we
Without mommy.
do.
Without.
Not only that. What is that? Yeah, eat it.
Yummy.
Ow.
How is it?
Go. Ow. Ow.
Ow? Eat your finger?